Coverage, of course, this afternoon with the severe weather hitting South Florida today.
Yeah, we have crews throughout the area. Let's start with Local 10 News reporter Derek Shore. He is live on Broward College North Campus with all the details on the damage.
And we are just off the college campus. We are here on Coconut Creek Parkway, where it is shut down at this hour, and you can see for good reason. Take a look. That Coconut Creek community bus remains on a rig here as it prepares to be towed away. The wind apparently topping it over and just throwing it onto the sidewalk. We're told one driver inside, just the driver inside, was injured and taken to a hospital. That's really the only injuries we've been reported at this hour. We're going to take you across the street here now, Bob, and take a look at Broward College. All of this damage along the way, and you can see some of the cars toppled over there, one on its side, one on top of another. A little bit earlier, we spoke to a mother who has a student here, a daughter and a son. She got a frantic text message. She couldn't even get to the campus in her car, and she decided she'd walk.
Did they call you from inside there? What happened?
Yes, probably text message. Just come and pick him up, my daughter and my son on the college.
But you can't get to it.
I can get it?
You can't drive to it. That's why you're walking?
Oh, I'm just walking. I'm parked car over there in the gas station. That car over there.
So as we come back out here live, you can see a fence is down. We have a utility line down. Over here, we have a street light that has been sheared off and tossed into the side of Coconut Creek Parkway. Just across the street, we have some trees that are down, tons of debris everywhere. In fact, just a little bit ago, I discovered a piece of what looks like possibly a bleacher from bleachers, possibly from the school over here, or maybe even from the Winmore community on this side. Not sure, but it obviously shouldn't be in the middle of the roadway. And that is what we're seeing, and that is why a ton of roadways in this area have been shut down, because of the immense amount of debris and damage, and of course a lot of cars that have suffered plenty of it as well. We'll send it back to you.
Yeah, things were just tossed about there at Broward College. All right, thanks a lot, Derek Shore.
And just right across the fence, we have Michael Seiden. He was showing us those live pictures from those cars just tossed all over the place.
Yeah, pretty stunning scene here, Constance and Christy. We're at Broward College. Take a look at the parking lot right now. You can see cars on top of each other. Just gives you an idea of how powerful this storm was. And the tow truck just got out here. They're getting ready to tow these vehicles. They're telling me right now they've got a report of about 160 vehicles that they're going to have to tow. So far, we haven't been able to catch up with the students who own these cars, but as you can imagine, when they come out here and see this, they are going to be in disbelief. Now, let me show you guys some video that we have been shooting and some of the stuff that's been coming into our newsroom. We had a student here who was in her classroom, tells us she had seconds to take cover, and then she felt a huge burst of wind blow into the school, and she said it was just a very frightening scene. Also, we have seen a lot of debris, some down power lines, some trees, so there's a big cleanup effort going on here at Broward College. The good news is no reported injuries. I want to also take you to a witness we met. He describes those terrifying moments. Okay.
Phones and the computers went off, the power went off. Someone came in from outside and said, oh my goodness, there's a windstorm that just came through the parking lot. There are cars stacked on top of one another. At that point in time, I came out to see if there were any people that would need emergency medical care in the parking lot. Thankfully, no one was trapped in their vehicles. The students were able to assist, and that's good training for them.
And again, right now, this is a possible tornado. We won't know until the National Weather Service comes out here and surveys the damage. But just speaking with our meteorologists, you know, they tell me that you take a look and you see when there are cars, vehicles like this piled on top of each other, that's usually indicative of a tornado. Also, another thing to look at is some of the branches. They are just twisted and mangled. That is another clear indicator that this was most likely a tornado. But again, we will have to wait for the National Weather Service to get out here to survey the damage. But no doubt, this severe weather certainly had this campus in a panic. But again, the good news, no one was injured. Christy and Constance, back to you.